Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to adjust the spacing between blocks in your Shopify Dawn theme. Tweaking the spacing can make your layout cleaner, improve readability, and give your store a more professional look. Let's walk through it together. From your Shopify dashboard, we will go to the Online Store section. You can find it on the left side of your dashboard. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. From here, we just need to click Edit Theme. We will open the theme we want to work with to adjust the spacing between blocks. Here are our blocks, and we will add a section such as a spacer or divider. On the right side, you can see the spacing options. Scroll down to the spacing settings to make your adjustments. Simply drag or change the value, and it will update in real time. As you can see, the spacing changes right away. When you're happy with the result, just click Save. That is how we adjust the spacing between blocks in the Shopify Dawn theme. Small design changes like this can make a big difference to the overall look of your store.